Okay, cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Right there! Woo! Beep 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 beep. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my lemon smashed potatoes. Oh, in for a treat, mate. These are so good. Alright, first thing we need is 6 medium spuds. We want to get a pot out, fill it up with water, get it on the boil them up for 30 to 35 minutes, not on a massive boil, just a simmering boil with a lid. Check them with a fork. We want them to be soft, like just soft when they go through, but we don't want them to be falling apart soft, okay? So as soon as we can get that fork in there and it's just soft, pull them straight off and straight into a strainer. Alrighty, now our spuds are cooked and they're drying off. While they're drying off, we want to preheat our ovens at 200 degrees Celsius. We want to get out a cookie tray, and baking paper is optional. Okay, now we get a small bowl out, and the first thing we want to do is squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm going to do a few lemon videos over the next couple of weeks because the lemons on my lemon tree are all almost ready. Oh, they smell amazing. And so I figured if mine are ready, so are other people's. So I thought we'll do a few different lemon recipes. So I like to use a strainer. Now next is the garlic. You either want to have 4 cloves of garlic crushed into our lemon juice, or I'm just going to use the jarred garlic as I always do, and I'm going to use 4 heaped teaspoons. Now into that mix we want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we want to mix it in really well. Now we want to add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Mix that in really well and set it aside for 2 secs. Now spread out our hot dried potatoes on there. We want to get a masher and we just want to push down and halfway, about there. So half flatten them. You don't want to go too far or they're just going to be a pile of mush. It's about halfway. Like a saw. Are we getting excited yet? Okay, now we want to get the mix we just made and we want to drizzle it over all of them, so I might just use a spoon. And drizzle away. Oh, baby. Oh, look at these little beauties. Alright, now we want to crack some salt and pepper over it. And as soon as our oven gets up hot enough, we want to whack them in there until golden and crispy. Oh mate, it smells awesome up in here. Alright, so I let them go for 35 minutes in my electric oven because I like them nice and crispy. Oh, look at these babies. Alright, these are amazing with lamb and they're amazing with fish. Now either get some of our dried oregano leaves, or if you've got fresh oregano, you can just get a few leaves of that. And we just want to get some in our hand and just sprinkle a little bit over them. And we are done. Just like that, my friends. Oh, they're freaking awesome. Filling. You can put 1 on each plate and do 6. You can eat them just on their own. They're absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll see you soon. Bye.